Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a love reading for you versus them, and we'll see what is exactly the situation between you and them. All right, so I'll be seeing your energies, like how are you looking them, then they're looking towards you, how are they feeling for you, and what are the actions you and them they are going to take. Then we'll see the blockages as well, and we will also see the final outcome. All right, so let's see. And so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will never miss my latest updates. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see now. Last shuffle, please. For my Taurus, please, what is the message? Let's see. Sorry. So the overall energy between you and them, it's the Empress. It's you, Taurus. And it's like, okay, Seven of Swords and the Empress. It's more of an energy where one is sneaking away, but they're not sneaking away. I think they're sneaking away to get you. Okay, so we'll see what is this. Because they are coming towards you. Let's see. Okay. See, it's you again, the Hierophant. Okay. The World on their side. A lot of out of 6 cards, 4 are major arcana. A major bond is this. This is not just 2 people. These are the 2 divine people, because it is here. 2 of Cups is here. All right, so let's start now. So how are you looking them? It's the Hierophant. So you are looking towards them as the marriage material. You are feeling that they are the ones, they are meant to be with you, because they are really wise counselors, kind of a person, because they really give you a good advice when it comes to you, and they really feel you really feel for them as someone who is very mature, someone who can help you at any time, in times of need. Let's clarify this Hierophant now. What is this Hierophant? Why is this Hierophant over here? Strength. See, this is how you look them, as a very independent person who really loves to give themselves the time. Might be dealing with a Leo or the Taurus itself. Okay, what else do we have? I really feel that you feel that they're always into themselves, more of, they love themselves a lot, and that is why they don't give a lot of time to you. They are more into themselves. They are just like, oh, I'm this, I'm that. Let's see, what else do we have other than strength? What else do we have? Why the Hierophant and strength here? Why the Hierophant and strength here? Okay. King of Cups. See, this is how you view them. You are full of love. You love this person fully. Might be dealing with a Scorpio. Okay, so I saw the Magician over here. Might be a Gemini as well. Scorpio, Leo, or Taurus, but it's more like someone who has love all over them, So why is the blockage over here? When you see a lot of love in them, so what is the problem then? Let's see why the world is in their side. I think they see you as their world, as a Page of Wands over here. So they really feel that you are like someone who is very passionate, who really is, childlike person, who is so enthusiastic, who just loves to wander here and there, who is like a traveler, who is all into himself, that kind of person. They see you as that really enthusiastic, really childlike, free spirit, that kind of a person. Let's see what else do we have other than Page of Wands. Four of Wands. See, both of you see each other as the marriage material kind. You might already be married to this person, because with the Hierophant of Four of Wands, a possibility of a marriage. Both of you are like, yes, this person is the one whom I can marry. Yes, they also have the same feeling for you. They really, they might see you as very immature, but because they have King of Cups in their side and the Hierophant, it's more of a situation where they see you, you might be younger to them, but it's more like you are so enthusiastic, you are such a free spirit that they sometimes they have a feeling that, this person might leave me. They are, I think it's, they are who are actually, afraid about this thing. Let's see once again, what is this Page of Wands? Six of Wands. See, you might have a fire in your chart as well, because you have very fiery qualities. I'm seeing over here, you are that enthusiastic person, you are that who just, who gets success, a lot of attention from other people. So that is why I'm feeling that there is a fear of losing you, because you might be really beautiful as well, that is why you are getting a lot of attention from many people. So they are fearful about it. They are fearing that you might leave them for someone else. Let's see this blockage. Two of Cups, the World again. Okay, what else? Four of Swords. Anything else? And Page of Pentacles. I'm seeing that the things are really slow between you. Whatever the blockage is, there is something where you are not communicating. Like, they have their own fears, they have their own understanding, you have your own understanding, and what else is happening over here? Nothing. You are not even talking to each other about the problems, because you both are the ones who actually love each other. You feel that this person is the world for you. You just love this person. It's a twin flame, soulmate card. But it's like you are not talking things out, you are not communicating with each other. What happens after this Four of Swords? Five of Swords happen. Betrayal mode happens. When you don't talk, you just assume things, and then what happens? Then the fight arises. You don't even listen to each other, because you are not talking at first. You are just thinking that this person is like this person is like that. But what is actually happening? You are not talking the things out right here. Let's see, why is this Page of Pentacles here? Why the Page of Pentacles in the blocking energy? The Chariot. See, I really feel that one person is becoming really ambitious over here. So that is why the other person is actually getting a fear that this person might run away. So the blockage might be you or them might be traveling to some other place, and that is why they are getting worried that you might leave them. So that is why they are feeling that you will get more attention. You might be going towards to a new school or something, joining some new job or something new you are doing regarding to your career. I'm seeing, because with the Page of Pentacles and the Chariot, someone is going towards, someone is really aiming high for their career. So this is something which is involved, I'm seeing that someone is actually giving a lot of focus towards their career, towards the finances, because you have to live at the end. Love will not buy you a house, love will not buy you a car. That is why this person is someone is moving, so might be you, because that is why the fear is on their side, not on your side. So they are thinking again daily, at night also, that this person might leave me, but I love them. So how can I stop them? Because you cannot be stopped over here. You have your goals in life, you have your career, you have to pay bills, so how can you not move on in life? So your action is the Four of Cups. I really feel that you might be rejecting something over here, because you're not, they might even say that don't go, be with me, and you are saying no, I have to go, because that is the practical approach in this situation. That is why you are not accepting the things, you're not even accepting the love from their side. Let's clarify what is this Four of Cups over here. Judgment. Yes, really need to take a big decision of your life right now. What else do we have other than judgment in this situation? The Fool. Okay, a lot of major arcanas are there in your reading. I'm really surprised, Taurus. A reading never done before like this. The Fool, the Judgment, the World came twice, and the Fool after that. It's like, I don't know why I'm getting a feeling that it's a no from your side. You are more into that mode where you are just moving on. You have to move on in your life. You have a lot of things to do. You have just, in your teens or your 20s. So if you are not in 20s, you are a person who is actually growing within, where you are all this time you have nothing in your life. You just love this person, you have given a lot of love to this person, and or towards anything, any relationship, but now you are actually looking for yourself. You are loving yourself now finally. So that is why the Judgment and the Fool is here. You are going to take a strong decision. So this is the decision time of your life, where you have to see whether love or whether career, whatever this is. Let's see the Hermit. You might be dealing with a Virgo as well, or Aries. Let's see the Hermit card. The Emperor. See, again a major arcana over here with the King of Wands. So they might try to restrict you, where they might say that don't leave me or something like that. They might try that. They might even become arrogant towards you. They might deal with you like a fatherly figure, where the Emperor is that father who restricts you. This is your boundary, you are not allowed to go over there, you are not allowed to go here, that kind of a feeling. And you are the Fool here. You are not in that zone that do not restrict me, please, let me go, let me enjoy my life. I have just started, this is just a new career, new business, new work of my life, and you are restricting me right now. So what will happen? You both love each other, but the World card coming twice, it is actually, I don't know why, it's like a pure connection, but you were just meant to be together with this much only. Let's see. It's not that things do not get over just like that. You might even meet this person after so many years, when you will reach that level where you actually wanted to reach, and they also reach somewhere else. See the Lovers, Gemini energy. Love is just flowing here. All the cards of love. What else do we have? What else do we have other than Lovers and Emperors? Knight of Swords here. There is a feeling that you will do whatever you want to do in life. You will not restrict yourself for anyone. But if love, you have to just, you know, sacrifice your love. You might even sacrifice that love, but this love, I'm seeing that it will never be gone. You might be in contact with each other, and it might be a breakup for some of you for some time, but I don't see it for a long time. Mm-mm. This is not a connection who will just break up like that, you know. So that's all, Taurus, from my side. I hope it helps. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.